how to add calendar upcoming events to the lock screen on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. Then on the home screen, touch and hold. Next, tap on wallpaper and style. Then tap on the lock screen wallpaper. Next, in here, you want to tap on the add widget button. So if you haven't already done so, you can tap on the add button. Here I will remove it. Then from the pop-up, we go down and tap on calendar. In here, you can include the upcoming events in that little widget down there. And then tap on done. And after that, you can tap on the back key or tap on the home button to go back to your home screen. Now if you lock your screen, then on your screen or on your always on display, you'll be able to see your upcoming events. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.